Hey guys, it's Omar with Side Hustle Exploration. Today we're going to be talking about how I furnish a short-term rental space for Airbnb. This is bedroom part 2. In my previous video, I showed you guys how I assembled this bed. And now it will be time to put together that futon right here. Let's see how it goes. Pray for me, guys. For whatever reason, I thought this was going to be a task and a half, and that it was going to take forever to put this together. But literally, all I needed to do was screw on the legs, and then I was good to go. Don't be like me and forget putting the washers on. That was a disaster. Woo! Doing this chair was so much easier than the bed. Here's what it looks like. Chair versus the bed location. You see my setup? That is what it's looking like. I'll do another video for this bedroom when I have my mattress in place, the bed is made, and the finishing touches, aka a nightstand, a lamps, TV stand and TV. When those are in here, I'll be doing another video showing you guys the final look for the bedroom. There's more to come. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and show your girls some love. Tap that subscribe button to follow my journey with my first time short-term rental property on Airbnb. So again, this is Omara with Side Hustle Exploration signing off. Bye guys.